Hi viewers, today we're looking at the reverse function which displays the text value back to front. So if you enter the value, a specific value, it will reverse the order of the text to back to front. First of all, we're going to use the world database and we're going to select name from, enter from city as C, its name. I'm going to rename name to C dot name. Run that. As you can see, the city name values have been displayed underneath. So now we're going to reverse that, so you're going to get things like Kabul being spelled Lubak and so on. So if I type in reverse in front of the city name and put it in brackets, and then run that again, you can see it's put everything back to front. So it's reversed the order of all the text in the column city name. That's the reverse function in MySQL Workbench.